Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe before we even get into the video. If you're an old subscriber, I hope you're doing good. Please continue to support your girl and share my videos, guys. Please share the videos with somebody that is interested in beauty related videos. So yeah guys, in today's video, as you guys can read on the title, we are going to be doing a beauty favorites, some products that I've been loving and been just using, recently started using and seeing how I'm getting on. So just a little bit of what I've just been loving really. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, let's get started with the video. So the first product that I have recently tried and have been enjoying using is this Dybrow from Eylure London, and I have literally been loving this. It's just like at home permanent tint brow, and this one is in dark brown. If you guys know my eyebrows, and if you know me very well, I've got sparse eyebrows naturally, and I've just been loving using this. The times where I just feel like I can't be bothered with filling them in and want to just dye them to, you know, bring them back to life and make them less non-existent. So that's what I've been using. This is from Eylure London, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Please don't come for me in the comment section, but that's what I've been using. It's their tint kit. It literally is like the application is like less than 15 minutes, so it's not a long application. It's straightforward. Really been loving it because it just helps my eyebrows to actually look like there is something there. So I really love this. I bought this for, I think it's £6.99 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll put the price down below here for anyone that also struggles with sparse eyebrows and is just like me. So that's what I have really been into and loving. The other two products that I've absolutely been loving in terms of masks and like under eye kind of treatment is these products here from Skin Republic. When I was going through lockdown, I wanted to make sure that I had really treated my skin and kept my skin, you know, glowing and looking its best, and I just found these. I always used to see them all the time, but had never tried Skin Republic ever before. And guys, when I first tried it, I absolutely loved their sheet mask that I tried. It was like a hydrating one, and ever since I've just been buying a lot of their products. I've got this product here which I picked up the other day, and it's their hyaluronic acid and collagen sheet mask, and I can't wait to try this because their products are super good. They really help with like moisturizing the skin, firming the skin, and making your skin feel and look rejuvenated. The next thing from them that I've been trying and been using is these they're like hydro under eye patches which you just put underneath your eyes, and absolutely love them to pieces, and have been using their products for the past weeks now, and I've seen a difference in terms of my skin. So guys, the next product that I have been absolutely loving is this Glycolic mask, and this is a brightening mask. I bought this from Holland & Barrett. If you live in the UK, Holland & Barrett, you'll find this in Holland & Barrett, and I absolutely love it. It contains glycolic acid, which if you know about, you know, skin and beauty, you know that it's definitely going to be good for brightening up the skin. If you suffer from hyperpigmentation, it can help to brighten up dark marks and like dark, you know, spots after having acne and all of that. So I saw this and really wanted to buy it because I felt like my complexion was looking a little bit dull, and I just wanted a mask that literally brightens up my face. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to buy this. And this is such a good brand. It's an Australian brand. It's called Andalou Naturals. so they're really good. My sisters used their products in the past, so I know from her experience it's really worth it. So from Holland and Barrett's is this astringent toner, and I saw this whilst trying to research to find like some new toners to use for my skin, because sometimes I do have like breakouts. My skin is a combination of like normal sometimes to combination of like breaking out, and I just wanted like a new toner that has actually got like acids that are going to be, you know, suited for targeting my breakouts. So I found this, and it's called Acne Dote, and it is like 2%, it contains 2% salicylic acid and then acne medication formulated with willow bark extract. And it says on the actual bottle that over time your scars and your acne marks, sorry guys, my words are just not coming out great, over time your scars and your acne marks fade. So it's such a good toner to use. And also, like I said, it contains salicylic acid, which is the one and main ingredient to target breakouts if you do suffer from them. So that's why I picked it up, and you can feel it when you apply the cotton wool, and apply it to the cotton wool when you know, like wipe all over your face and stuff. You can feel it working into your pores, and it also unclogs your pores, which is also something that you want to make sure you're doing if you want to, you know, keep your skin nice and acne free. The next products, these are fragrances that I picked up when the Zara sale was, you know, going on, and these are about like I think £9 each. And I love these sprays so much because I just carry them with me when I'm going to work, and they smell super lush and really nice for a day spray. This one is really good for in the afternoon. It's more for like a fruity kind of like person, like somebody that likes a fruity scent. And then this one is more of like musky in terms of the scent, and is probably best suited in the night time. So I really love those fragrances, and I thought for the price of them and the size of them, I'm definitely going to get those. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you the last product that I've been loving. Last but not least, I have been loving these nails, which I picked up from Amazon. I picked these up during a lockdown because I was so tired of buying the stick-on, press-on nails from the drugstore that don't last for ages and just start looking rubbish after a few days. And I picked this set. It's a set of I think it's 300 pieces of nails, and I have been absolutely enjoying trying these on and having these on, and they look way better than the press-ons that I buy from drugstore. I bought these for about, I think they were £5 or £6, but really affordable, and you get so much like sizes. So I've got this until like literally next year or even the year after next. So I really love this and would highly recommend for anyone that is into nails, who always wants to switch up their nails, who wants to do their own nails and not, you know, go and pay someone to do your nails for you. Definitely would suggest for you to buy this, because it's just going to be so affordable than buying those press-on kit nails that don't last for ages. This is just really nice. You can cut the length and you can choose obviously what color you want to apply onto them, and they look so much like acrylic nails. So yeah, that is the end of the things, like all my beauty favorites and the things that I've really enjoyed trying out. I will catch you guys again in another video next time. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye dolls.